Hi guys, welcome to another video and this is so amazing. मैं कल बाहर था and I got to see Shah Rukh Khan and I was like so stunned because yeah, I've never seen him, you know, on on a TV in Reliance Digital ever before.
तो क्या नाचो मैं
Yeah, you guessed it right. This video is about clickbaits. So let's watch the real life clickbaits there are. So yeah, the fuck is that intro? What? Not suitable for climbing? What are you talking about? You have a guy who's for climbing. What are you talking about? What is this? You know, the only reason they have written not suitable for climbing is because they wanted to put a picture of a climber on it. It's like, you know what? The picture is cool, you know? It's fine. We'll put a warning. We need the picture. This is so stupid. Typical sale in Russia: buy a pack, get two hot dogs free. All right. Wait, what was wrong with it? Oh wait. Oh wait. इन्होंने यहाँ से दो हॉट डॉग्स निकाल के यहाँ पे डाल दिए. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Genius. Genius. There are only 3 veggie sausage rolls in this pack. Then why does it say 12 pack? Huh? Stone baked pepperoni pizza. No, that is just painful. You have to spread the pepperoni around the pizza. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, wait, now I get it. उतना ही पार्ट वो डब्बे के थ्रू दिखता है यहाँ से. तो इन्होंने इसी साइड सारे पेपरोनी रख दी. Oh. Um. Tomato soup 30% bigger, 40% bigger. Of course, Campbell's. Of course. लेस के पैकेट्स पे भी यही स्कैम होता है आपके साथ. 20% मोर चिप्स. कहाँ है वो? पता नहीं. बस पैकेट पे डालना था. भाई तुम लोग ये सुन रहे हो? ओ माय गॉड. गाड़ी वाला आया, घर से कचड़ा निकाल. वॉज सो मच बेटर देन दिस. इसमें इतनी जोर से ये लोग बजा रहे हैं इसको और मोदी जी बोल रहे हैं 18 साल से ऊपर वाले जो भी है हमारे देशवासी उन सबको फ्री में टीका लगा. भाई साहब कान फाड़ दी. और मैं बाहर गया, मैं उसको लुक दिया कि भाई इतना शोर, तो उसने आवाज और बढ़ा दी. नाइस. There we go, guys. There we go. Finally, we have it. The difference between a small versus medium orange juice at McDonald's. There you go, guys. जब आपको McDonald's scam करता है तो आप scam होते रहते हैं. There's your money. That's the difference. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that is just no. That is just wrong. ये चीटिंग है, ये चीटिंग
करता है तू। चीटिंग करता है तू।
Of course. ये स्टैचू भाई, ये स्टैचू इतना ट्रोल हुआ था, इतने मीम्स बने थे स्टैचू के ऊपर भाई, because just look at it dude, that is not a tribute to Ronaldo at all. You didn't even do a good job at making the statue look like Ronaldo. That looks like Ronaldo if he was on crack. कोकेन मार रहा होता ना रोनाल्डो तो शायद ऐसा दिखता भाई। ये बहुत SpongeBob candy has just one eye. Why is that? What is going on here? What? This is why I don't trust people. और मेरे को इसलिए टैटू कराने में बहुत डर लगता है. I want to get a tattoo someday, but like I'm very scared of getting a tattoo because what if I show them this picture and then I get this? I would not be able to tolerate that. No. Open my chocolate Santa. This is incredible. Yeah, apparently. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. There's no. That is scary. That will just scare the kids. Oh no. When I just looked at the left side, I was like, this is such a good idea. Having emoji balloons, that's cool. Like, just mood ka aapka balloon chahiye, wo emoji hoga us balloon. You buy a packet of emoji balloons and it's all emojis on every balloon. What the heck? That looks like a penis. Yeah, latte art is a little difficult, but just don't do it then. Just don't even try if you're not good at it. Just give them coffee. Domino's chocolate pizza. Mamma mia, so yummy, so good looking. That's the ad, obviously, and then that's the real pizza. Of course. Alright guys, that was another video. I'm sorry for all the clickbaits and yeah. It's been your boy VoiceBox. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I just try to stick to myself. Yeah. There's too many snakes in the grass. Too many fakes in the game. Many two-faced men with holes in my back. I just wanna write my raps and retire my mom and my dad. So excuse me, please. I'ma do me, and you can get the fuck off my back.